Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Fassig. I've been nominated by the Idaho VMA for the AVMA Council on Public Health and Regulatory Medicine. As an honor roll member of the AVMA, I'm excited about this nomination because I believe I have a lot to contribute. Most of my background can be seen on the application forms, but let me give you a brief summary. I have a Bachelor's of Science from the University of Nebraska in Food Technology, DVM from Ohio State, MPH training from Tulane, and a Master's from Antioch, Seattle in Organizational Development. I bring multiple perspectives to this public health, food safety, and veterinary medicine. Some lenses that I use are Certified Integrated Resource Management, FEMA Level 3 First Responder. I'm a member of the Idaho One Health Consortium, former president of the American Association of Industrial Veterinarians. I'm a member of the Association of Food and Drug Officials, longtime member of the Academy of Veterinary Consultants, and I'm certified as a trainer by the USDA Center for Food Security and Public Health. I had a mentor at Ohio State, Dr. Al Gobble, who always said, in 15 years or so, give something back to the profession. So I published articles, peer-reviewed research reports, wrote the Associate Survival Guide for the American Animal Hospital Association in 2006, and I assumed leadership roles in various professional organizations. In public health and the military, I was Chief of Health and Environment Activity. I was responsible for epidemiology for nosocomial reporting for the command, 3 Army hospitals, STD screening and reporting, occupational health surveys, coordination of state departments of health, and zoonotic disease prevention. In the pharmaceutical industry, I was responsible for the use of Raboral to prevent rabies epidemic near San Antonio, Texas, and in the Arctic. I'm also considered in the industry as an expert in vaccines and for bringing the first propofol, Diprivan, to the veterinary marketplace. In food safety, my food safety experience includes oversight of Defense Procurement Supply Command for Northwest Pacific Region for military food stores, 24 years in the USDA Food Safety Inspection Service, which includes 9 years on the road and working in over 110 plants in the country. I've been involved with BESE surveillance since Mabton, Washington. I also brought CNS beefpackers onto the commercial stage. They're the newest and the most advanced technologically beef slaughtering plant in the country in Kuna, Idaho. I'm currently a senior supervisor at the Boise Mini Circuit. I'm responsible for 17 plants and have 7 CSIs. But some of the challenges that I'm really interested in that are facing the food industry today are production, the farm to fork ID, traceback, mergers and acquisitions into mega companies. We waste 48% of the food produced in the U.S. The recalls, the human error for hundreds of tons of food and foodborne illnesses. FSIS has a lack of personnel. In the Denver district alone, we had 128 openings in March, and that number has only gone down to 92. The problem is 29% of the USDA FSIS workforce is eligible for retirement, and there is no succession planning. We also have issues with imports from other countries. Thank you very much for your attention and consideration. I appreciate your vote.